All right, everybody, welcome back to a home tour you are going to love. Lake living north of the Tulsa area, if you're not familiar. And we're in Sperry, Oklahoma today. This is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, built in 2024, brand new construction. And it is on over a half-acre lot, and it's about 3,900 square feet. Really gorgeous, obviously modern design. So we are going to check it out today. You are in for a treat. The front door is probably my favorite in the office, so stay tuned for that. But it also has a sauna and a lot of other great features as well. I'll give you a little pan here while I'm walking. Obviously, there's a lot of new construction happening here. You got another new home coming up here, but all of these are new homes. There's other lots available in here as well. And it's a nice hilly neighborhood, so definitely not cookie cutter. You have all sorts of architectural styles in here, which I think is really cool for a neighborhood. Keeps things lively and not boring. But we'll check out the garage right here since it's open. You do have a dog wash in here, which is really cool. Absolutely massive 3-car garage. Here's that dog wash, which I think is great. But we're going to go back around and I'm going to go through the front door so you can get the whole experience. But loads of parking, which is great if you're ever entertaining as well. Love the pencil pines and that stacked stone look. Really cool. Gives you that ultra modern style without it being overly cold, taking away from the warmth, you know. Really cool up there in the game room. You can see the lake, so I'll definitely show you that later. This front door though, man, absolutely stunning. And they do have a coat closet right here to the side. And the office, like I said, my favorite part. Oh my gosh, stunning. I love the windows on both sides too, so lots of natural light. And then over here, you have an extra pantry, but there's a hidden pantry in this house. Shauna with Apex.
Hey.
What's up for all your title needs? So what? Do you want to say something specific? wait.
Happy to help you every time.
Woo, okay, perfect. Dining area and a really cool fireplace all the way to the ceiling. Lots of natural light. Obviously the drop-in electric, so you don't have to worry about maintenance and all that wood cutting business. Just turn it on and enjoy it. Like I talked about outside, lots of natural light, which I think is really cool. Really brightens up the space, but also adds that warmth, which is something you need in a home. You do have a balcony up there, so we'll check that out in a minute. There's Mom enjoying snackies. Really great island here. Does have the waterfall edge as well and electric on the sides, which I know someone's going to say, ooh, that's not code anymore, but I still think they're great. You do have a gas range as well. And notice the cabinets are still brown. You probably can't tell in the video, but they're just stained really dark. But I think, again, it's adding the warmth, which is great. Trimmed in gold. I love the bubble light fixtures as well. And you have room for a absolutely massive refrigerator. Coming through this way, this is the garage access. So you have a drop zone here, and then there's the garage we were at a second ago. We're gonna swing around. Look at this absolutely gorgeous patio door. Let's step out here. So I really like the wood accents with the can lighting. And then it's really great, large size patio, again, for entertaining as well. And then you do have a back door access as well. So we'll head around that way and I will show you that room right now. And then when I cross back to go upstairs, I'll show you that hidden pantry. So kind of a bonus den area, spare game room. You do have a half bath right here. And then here's the sauna. Stunning. Love that. And then this is back access to the side yard. and garage area. And then you do have a full bath here, which is really great because in the future, if you build a pool in the backyard, really great to have a full bath with the patio door access right outside, so you don't have to worry about tracking water through the house. Or even if you're just working in the backyard, you want to come in, wash your hands, don't have to worry about tracking mud through the house. So really great feature, but let's go back to the kitchen. I'll show you that hidden pantry and then we'll go upstairs. So here is that hidden pantry. Obviously, we have the doors, but they're open right now. Absolutely gorgeous. Butler pantry, you got everything you need in here. Dirty it up. Your friends and family that are visiting don't have to worry about seeing your mess. Just shut the doors, but you do have a wine fridge in here. You do have the microwave, and then I believe that's the Frigidaire Professional, so I'm pretty sure that's like a convection, induction, all that stuff too, but don't quote me on that. I'm not a furniture or appliance specialist, but really great. But let's flip around and we'll go upstairs. Absolutely gorgeous with the vaulted ceiling, again with those windows letting in all the natural light. You do have accent lighting on the stairs too. And before we start the second half of this house, if you're new here, my name is Ryan Henze. I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team serving Tulsa and the surrounding communities like this one in Sperry, Oklahoma. So if you're thinking of making a move, hey, reach out to me. Would love to help you make that smooth transition. But on the channel, I share home tours like this, lifestyle, what you can expect if you live in the Oklahoma area. So if you're into any of that, make sure to like and subscribe for more. But let's jump back into that house. We're in the game room and you can see the lake. It is gorgeous. So up here, like I said, this would be the game room area. And then you can see the lake right there. Really nice. I don't know if I told you the price on this house. It's currently, at the time of recording, $815,000, which I think is a pretty fair price for all that you get. And then right here is one of the bedrooms. You do have a closet as well. I should show you. I'll show you the size. I like all the built-ins, lots of hanging storage, as well as the shoe rack. And then you do have these nice light-colored floors throughout, which is also great. There's that balcony, and this is going to be the primary. Again, nice natural light, big windows, and an absolutely stunning master bath. Oh my gosh. Again, you have that dark stained wood, which I think really elevates the space with that brightness or the warmth that you need. Not brightness, well, brightness too because of the windows, but really nice deep soaker tub there with more natural light and an absolutely massive shower with the rainfall. Give you get a little look-see here. Gorgeous. And then there's that shower head as well. And I do like the ledge for all of your shampoo bottles and stuff too. And then you kind of saw that, just a toilet area. And then on the other side is that primary closet. You could easily put an island in here if you wanted, but tons of storage, hanging, shoe storage, all that stuff. And I do like the window in here as well, so you get that natural light again. We'll head around the corner here. Check out the last few things. Here's your linen closet. Now you've probably guessed by now, all the bedrooms are up here, which, you know, is not great in your like final home, unless you put in an elevator for elderly, but for the average person, this home would be great. You have a full bath right here. Let me know in the comments though, is it common to have all the bedrooms upstairs where you live? Because in Oklahoma, sometimes it can really be a problem for people. Like, oh my gosh, I need at least to have the primary bedroom downstairs, you know? But yet in other states, I've heard that is totally normal. So let me know in your state, how do they do it? Or what's common? But another bedroom here. This one has a full bath connected as well, and a really good size closet. And over here is that laundry Gorgeous. And that about wraps it up. If you've enjoyed this house, let me know in the comments what was your favorite part. And like I said, if you're thinking of making a move to Oklahoma, I would love to help you make that smooth transition. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.